I'm all up in it. Clouds when you're pouring rain. Ain't never coming.
So hey guys, how you doing? Today we are going to be unboxing BTS's Journey Map of the Soul, and I feel like it's been forever since I've done an unboxing. Luckily this one is short. I was hoping to do my Stray Kids with this setup or stroke lighting, but I don't think that's going to happen. I don't even know if it can't focus because I'm using my iPod this time, since I'm hopefully about to travel, so I don't want to have too much space. Like, I don't even know if it's bright. It might be really bad because again, I'm not using my camera. But anyways, I'm glad I finally got this. It was so hard for me to, like, how do you get this out? There's like always a place to open it over here on the side, but I cannot see it. Wait, is it this? Okay, I think I found it. Okay, yeah. Okay, there we go. Oh no! Let's try not to damage it. Anyways, so here's this thing up close. Oh my god, this feels like so weird. I haven't done unboxing in like how long now? I don't know where the cards are, or the card is, since it's just one. Oh my god, this seems so dark. You know what? I think I'm going to change the lighting because I can't really see on my iPod. It's really hard to tell if it's dark or it's just the lighting. So I don't know. I'll redo the photo book or whatever if it's so bad. But anyways, my biggest pet peeve is freaking, what do you call them? Oh wait, this thing fell off. I was wondering where it was. The strip. Oh my god, it looks so dark. Anyways, I want to see the card though. I hate jewel cases. I really hate jewel cases. Hold on. Okay, so now I've changed my lighting and hopefully you can see things better. It's just that setup that I had before was just not the best for being on my iPod. I'm gonna put the Photocard aside. I just see the CD better now. Ooh! It's so hard to see anything on my iPod these days. I don't know what's going on with it. Now with the little leaflet, booklet, I don't even know what to call this thing. I guess booklet, because it's like dark on dark. I'm guessing it's just lyrics as far as I remember. I don't even remember. It's been so long since I've seen this book. And like, I finally got it. It was stuck in customs since January, but the HMV didn't put my number on the package, so basically customs didn't call my number. So yeah, it was basically stuck there for the longest. Yeah, so it's basically just lyrics. Nothing much to it. Yeah, that's it. And then we have, okay, I'll try to hide the code before I bring it to the face. This thing. Oh! I saw, oh my god! Oh my god! The card was facing up, I didn't even see. Oh my god, it's so thin. It's a really thin card. I got you mean. Oh my god, it's so thin. Oh my god. But anyways, are we going to play these games right now? Yeah, I got you mean. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. I honestly want to buy more. That's why I got this anyways. So I'm hoping, I feel like I want to get another one. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. That's gonna be it. I know it's really short, but yes. That's literally all to it. Just literally the photo card. But anyways guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in another video. Toodaloo.